Imagine making $10,000 every single month without ever appearing on camera, recording your own voice, or even leaving your house. Sounds impossible. Think again. Right now, some of the smartest creators on YouTube and other platforms are quietly building AI audiobook channels that are generating 5 figures a month, and they are doing it by following a simple, repeatable blueprint. Today, I am going to break down exactly how they are doing it and how you can replicate it step by step. The opportunity is massive. Audio content is exploding. People are listening to audiobooks during their commutes, workouts, or even while doing chores at home. The global audiobook market is projected to surpass $15 billion in the next few years, and the demand for fresh, engaging content is only increasing. Yet very few creators are tapping into AI to produce this content at scale. Imagine a world where you do not need to hire expensive voice actors, pay for studio time, or spend hours narrating books yourself. With AI voices and smart production techniques, you can create high-quality audiobooks in a fraction of the time and monetize them just like traditional channels. Take someone like Ryan Daniel Moran, who built multiple online businesses by identifying trends early. He did not wait for competition to appear. He jumped in and executed. This is the same mindset that successful AI audiobook creators use. They spot the opportunity before it becomes saturated. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The first secret to making $10,000 per month with AI audiobooks is picking the right niche. Not all niches are equal. Some sell better because people are willing to spend money, and some gain traction faster because of search demand. Top-performing niches include self-help, business and finance, health and wellness, and high-demand fiction genres like thrillers and science fiction. For example, channels that produce content in personal development see insane engagement because people constantly look for ways to improve their lives. Names like Tony Robbins or Grant Cardone instantly come to mind. Imagine having an AI read condensed versions of their lessons, or even producing AI narrated best of compilations that people can consume in 15 to 20 minutes. That content practically sells itself. Another example is thriller fiction. Think Dan Brown's The Da Vinci Code or James Patterson's Alex Cross series. Fans of these books are always hungry for more content, and AI can produce serialized stories that keep them coming back week after week. Step 2. Sourcing your content. Once you have selected a niche, the next step is sourcing content. Here is where many beginners get stuck. They do not realize that you don't need to create everything from scratch. Public domain books, content from authors who allow redistribution, and AI-generated stories are all valid sources. For example, classics like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill or The Art of War by Sun Tzu are public domain, meaning anyone can use them freely. You can then use AI to reformat them, modernize the language, or even break them into digestible audiobook segments. Some creators also pay writers small amounts to generate original scripts for them. When done correctly, you're essentially acting as a publisher. You don't need to be the creative genius. You just need the vision and the ability to assemble content people want to consume. This is exactly how big players in the self-help and finance space, like Robert Kiyosaki, have built empires by packaging knowledge in the format people want. Step 3. Choosing the right AI voice. Not all AI voices are created equal. This is where many creators fail. They use robotic-sounding AI that turns listeners away. To make your channel stand out, you need AI voices that sound natural, engaging, and expressive. Companies like 11 Labs, Murph, and Descript offer voices that are indistinguishable from human narration. Some even allow you to clone celebrity-style voices, giving your audiobooks that premium feel. Imagine an AI voice narrating a motivational script in a tone similar to Morgan Freeman or David Attenborough. The difference in engagement is huge. Remember, people don't just listen, they experience. If your voice evokes emotion, listeners stay longer, your watch time increases, and YouTube pushes your content further. Just like actors elevate a script, think Leonardo DiCaprio in Inception versus a mediocre performance, your AI voice can make or break your audiobook channel. Step 4. Publishing consistently. Creating the audiobook is only half the battle. To hit $10,000 per month, you need consistent uploads. The algorithm favors channels that post regularly, ideally once or twice a week. This is how you build authority in your niche and keep your audience returning for more. For instance, let us compare two channels. Channel A uploads one audiobook a month while Channel B uploads 2 per week. Even if Channel A has slightly higher quality, Channel B will dominate over time simply because of frequency. People love bingeable content. They subscribe, they come back, and every upload compounds revenue through YouTube ads or affiliate links. Consistency also builds trust. Listeners expect your channel to be a reliable source of knowledge or entertainment. If they subscribe to a self-help audiobook channel, they want a steady stream of content that helps them grow every week. Miss a month, and some viewers move on. Step 5. Optimizing for monetization. Now that you have your content, your AI voice, and a consistent publishing schedule, it is time to monetize. There are multiple revenue streams beyond YouTube ad revenue, which alone can reach $10,000 per month if your channel scales properly. Affiliate marketing is huge. For example, if your channel focuses on personal finance, you can recommend books, courses, or tools like budgeting apps. Each sale earns you commissions. Many creators earn $5,000 to $10,000 per month just from affiliate links embedded in the video description. Sponsorships are another major income stream. Brands love AI audiobook channels because the audience is highly targeted and engaged. A sponsor might pay $2,000 to $5,000 per video to reach listeners who are actively consuming knowledge or entertainment. Finally, do not underestimate the power of merch or premium content. Some creators sell premium audiobook bundles or companion PDFs. For a small additional investment, this can add thousands more to monthly revenue. Step 6. Scaling your channel. Once you have nailed down the process, scaling is the next step. This means creating multiple channels, hiring freelancers to generate scripts, or even automating research and video production. The most successful creators don't rely on a single channel. They build entire portfolios. Imagine having 5 channels in different niches, one in self-help, one in thriller fiction, one in health and wellness, one in finance, and one in biographies. Each channel brings in $2,000 to $3,000 per month. Suddenly, your $10,000 per month goal is not just achievable, it is conservative. This is exactly what successful YouTubers like Graham Stephan have done in finance. They do not rely on one stream. They diversify, and the revenue compounds. AI audiobook creators can do the same, but with minimal ongoing effort once the system is in place. Step 7. Avoiding common pitfalls. While this strategy works, it is not without challenges. One major pitfall is quality control. Poor editing, unnatural AI voices, or low-value content can tank your channel before it grows. Always review your audio, remove mistakes, and make sure the pacing is natural. Another mistake is ignoring SEO and metadata. Titles, descriptions, and tags matter more than most beginners realize. For example, a title like How to Grow Rich Fast, audiobook version, will perform much better than Rich Book Audiobook. Keywords are the lifeblood of discoverability. Finally, do not rely on trends alone. While trending topics can bring a spike in views, building long-term passive income requires evergreen content that remains relevant for years. Self-help, timeless fiction, and classic knowledge fall into this category. Step 8. Examples of success. Let us put some names into context. Channels like Best Audiobooks or Productive Minds are quietly making $10,000 or more per month by following a similar AI audiobook blueprint. Their secret: focused niches, high-quality AI narration, consistent uploads, and smart monetization. To illustrate, imagine comparing these creators to actors. Tom Hanks is consistent, professional, and trusted by audiences, while a newcomer with potential but no experience struggles to get the same engagement. The principle is the same in AI audiobook channels. Consistency and quality earn trust and revenue. These channels did not just stumble upon success. They followed a repeatable system. They test different niches, find what works, and scale their output. If you follow the steps I have laid out, you are replicating a proven blueprint, not reinventing the wheel. Step 9. Taking action. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting. They say, "I will start next month," or "I am not sure if it will work." Meanwhile, competitors are already building channels and claiming audience attention. Success in AI audiobook channels comes to those who execute. Pick your niche, create your first AI audiobook, publish consistently, and optimize for monetization. Do not wait for perfection. Every video you upload teaches you something new and builds momentum toward that $10,000 per month goal. Remember, this is not just theory. People are already earning 5 figures monthly, and the systems are replicable. With AI, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. The opportunity is in front of you. You just need to take action. So, what is stopping you from starting your own AI audiobook channel today? Every day you wait, someone else is capturing an audience and building revenue you could have earned. By picking the right niche, leveraging AI voices, publishing consistently, and monetizing smartly, you can create a passive income stream that scales. Imagine turning a single channel into $10,000 per month, or 5 channels into $50,000 per month. It is not fantasy, it is the new reality. For creators who act fast, stay consistent, and focus on quality, if you follow these steps and execute the blueprint, you could be joining the ranks of successful AI audiobook creators very soon. The key is action. Start now, optimize along the way, and scale once you have built momentum. Your $10,000 per month AI audiobook empire is not far away. It is waiting for you to take the first step.